Welcome to the user guide for the Autoforward Messenger application. Today, I'll walk you through the replace feature. This allows you to modify the content of forwarded messages automatically. Before we begin, make sure you have already created a forwarding task. In this tutorial, I'll be using an existing task as an example. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Dashboard tab and select the Replace feature. Next, click on the green button with a plus sign. Then, select Add New and Create New. To make things clearer, I'll send a sample message as an example. Let's say I want to replace the word discount with special offer. First, create any label to identify this replacement. Then, enter discount in the original word's input field. Next, type special offer into the new word replace field. Finally, click Create Replace to complete the setup. Now, click on the label you just created, select Active for Task, and choose the task where you want this change to apply. Then, click Activate. I will send the message again. As you can see, the word discount in the message has been replaced with special offer. Now, let's try replacing $50 with $45. I'll follow the same steps as before and send the message again. Success! The message now shows $45 instead of $50. If you no longer want this change, simply deactivate it. And just like that, the message reverts to $50. Now let's explore a more advanced example. In this message, I'll replace red fox product with yellow product. I'll also modify the clock icon and the word expire to something else. Additionally, I'll remove Red Fox Team by replacing it with a blank space. Once these changes are set up, I'll activate them. Now I'll resend the message. As you can see, the message has been updated exactly as configured. If you want to modify an existing replacement, simply click Edit Replace and adjust the content as needed. That's it. You now have full control over message content modifications during automatic forwarding. Pretty amazing, right? That's all I wanted to share in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides in the future, and see you next time.